You know, it's hard for me to explain my true feelings for you. But I thought about it time after time, and I feel like this is the best way to express it. So I dedicate this to you.
What do you do when the girl that you're with isn't the one that you love? And what do you do when the other girl is all you've been thinking of? So how can I say I love you when the words I say isn't true? I'm sorry it happened this way. I'm not the man for you. I wear a mask every day to hide the pain that I have inside.
I walk with my head down, I'm holding my pain. Girl, I even swallow my pride. So how can I look into your eyes when the feelings I have isn't true? Sorry it happened this way. I'm not the man for you. I can't go on anymore. This lying has to come to an end. 'Cause I'm in love with another girl. I'm thankful for the times that we spent. So I won't say I love you, 'cause I know what I say isn't true. Sorry it happened this way. I'm not the man for you. I don't know what I did wrong, so I give you this song.